What if you can use the ChatGPT, Cloudy, Gemini, Deepseek, Grok in the single one platform? Let me show you. So you can see here we have the ChatGPT, we have the Liama, we have the Deepseek, we have the Gemini, and here you can see all the flagship reasoning or the legacy AI models along with the 20 other AI models in the single dashboard. So this is the Nily.ai, and you can also install its Chrome extension. Go to any website or the page, click here in its Chrome extension, and now it can open up the sidebar of the AI where you can chat with that page, create, write and generate the things. So hey guys, this is Basant here. In today's video I am going to give you a detailed overview on the Nily. I am going to show you all the popular models available in this tool within this single dashboard and how you can utilize on the different platforms or the website or the landing pages. Whether you want to generate or give the reply to your emails, or you want to chat with your YouTube channel, or you want to just create the images, you can use Nily.ai on everywhere. So without wasting any more time, let me get started. Right now Nily.ai is available on the appsumo starting from the just $59. You can see this is the lifetime deal. You can find the link in the description and you can even read out. Access 20 plus AI models to chat, write and create, edit images. If I scroll down below, there are the only two plans they have given, tier 1 and the tier 2. In the tier 1 we will got the 3000 credits per month, and if you don't find it suggestion and if you don't find it sufficient, what I suggest, go with its tier 2 plan, because here you will get the 15,000 credits and the 5 team members and all the AI models access here. Okay, so let me show you how this platform works and what are the AI models available here. So once you got its lifetime deal and the sign in, this is the dashboard you are going to log in, and this is the chat page. Here you can just start chatting with the its AI, and before chatting, what I suggest, go to the model section and here you can just select the AI models you wanna use for generating the content here. For example, right now I want to use the Gemini 2.5 Pro, so I have selected that one here and now I can start chatting out. There's also the playground section available where you can use the multiple AI models with single dashboard here. For example, this is the ChatGPT 40 here, and here I can select the another one, like go with the Grok 3. So now what I can do, I can also enable this one, that is the web access. So along with the generating, it is also going to scrape the data or just research the data from the internet here. So for example, let me search here top 20 books for business. So you can see here's my query, top 20 book for the business, and now you can see I have just opened the two windows where I am using and testing with the two AI models, but I can go with along here up to the 6. Okay, now I have the 6 different AI models and I can just test out which one is giving me the best results here. So I will click here on the send, and now you can see all these 6 AI models will be start working. You can see the ChatGPT 4.1 is starting the first here. Then let's see and the wait which one is can give you the better results here. So that's how you can use it's the playground section. Although this one took a little bit time, but you can see here I have just open up or enabled the web access, so I'm getting the much better results here. Okay, so you can see I can get the few books results here, around the 7 book, but let's see in this one I got the around the 17, and the Grok 3 beta is still working on the ChatGPT 04 mini still working. I got the results from the Cloudy, and here I got much better results on the Cloudy 3.5, but if I have enabled the web access, I can get the much more better. Okay, so that's how you can use it here. I can also make it around with the 3 models comparison. I can go with the 4, and there's also the this section available where I can also, I think, add the images. Yeah, you can see I can also add images here. So that's how you can use the playground to test it out with the different AI models at once. Okay, now we have this one option, that is the images. In the images we can use its different AI generation for the generating our images. You can see we have the different options available. So simply I will go with the image editor, design tools or the image generation. So I will go with the image generator, and now from here I can select the any image generator AI model. Okay, we have the around the 10 plus models available. I will go with the ideogram here, or let's go with the Leonardo here, and after that I have to describe a cat with head. Okay, so this is the simple prompt I have given. Click here on the confirm. Okay, it is selecting me the style, so I will go with the bouquet. Now let me click here on the compare, and let's see how much time it is going to take for its AI to generate the image I have asked. Here's the result. I got the perfect result here. Okay, so this is the image generation I have showed you. Now we have also the few other options available, like for the emails here. Okay, where AI going to assist us for replying the emails or generating the emails here. So I am right now in my inbox, and if I open any of the emails, let me open this one. You can see in the reply section you will find out this tool in the working. So let me go to the reply. You can see this is the reply section. I have also the Merlin along, but right now I am showing you all the features of the Nily.ai. So if I click here on the positive, it will just write or craft a reply in the positive way. You can see it is start working out. So that's how you can also use its AI to assisting your email here. Not only that, there's also this social post available where you can use its AI to generate the post for the text post, carousel post, or any other LinkedIn post. So right now it is only working for the LinkedIn, and to work it out you have to go to your account. Here you have to go to the in this AI models. Here you can see this is all the AI models you can enable or disable, but we want to go with on the accounts, and here I have to click here on the connect LinkedIn account. So simply let me connect my LinkedIn account, and after that I will show you how its AI model is also working for generating the text or the carousel for us. Okay, so with the 2 clicks my LinkedIn account is connected here. So now it is done. Okay, something went wrong, I don't know what is wrong, but the things is working out now. These things are enabled and start working. So I will click here on the generate the carousel, and now you can see we have the few basic templates available, so I can select any of that. So simply let me select this one because I like really good one here. Now I can just ask the the command, okay, to ask its AI to generate the that carousel. So like go with the top 10 uh, suggestions while starting a cold outreaching campaign. Okay, now you can see the number of slides. I will go with the around something like the 10, because let me increase 10. Yeah, let's click here on the generate, and now it will start generating. So again we have to wait to see its magic, and I think this is something really cool going to be happen because I am using a AI to generate the carousels for my LinkedIn account. Okay, let's see what's going to be happen. Yeah, I got the results here. You can see this is the first thing. Now let me scroll. This is the second, third, fourth. Okay, I got the results here and it looks really good, although I think I still need to do a little bit optimization while doing this thing here. You can see the content is not that much of in the detail like I have just expected, but that can be the manageable because I got the carousels here. That is, with a single click I can download, and after that I can just paste on my LinkedIn account. Let's see what are the other things. We have also the text post, we have the video post that will be soon available here. Okay, and now I can also connect my Twitter account here. So this will work as for the LinkedIn and the Twitter as well. Okay, now next feature we have the write. So in this feature I think I can use its AI to generate the our writing stuff in the doc stuff. Okay, then we have the chat with the YouTube. Okay, so let me test out this one. I have to grab the link of one of my video, get back here. Okay, and after that I have to paste the link, click here on the load video, and now here I can chat with the my video here. Okay, this tool is also offering this feature. That's really good. Okay, so I got the transcript. Now here I can chat. What is this video about? Okay, so I made a little bit spelling mistake. Click. Now you can see it is going to give me the answer. This video is about. Okay, I got the really good information here. Okay, so in this thing, this tool is also working like a charm. Then with this section I can the chat with my PDFs. Then we have the humanized section available where I can paste the AI content and make it humanized, okay, or bypass AI. There's also the AI detector option available. So one tool, we have the so many crazy stuff available. Then we have the toolkit, mind map available. We have the post maker. So let's see and create a mind map here using a prompt of the AI. Generate a SEO strategy. Okay, let's click on the generate, and it has generated the strategy within instant here. So again, this section is also working like a charm. So I suggest Nily.ai 10 out of 10, and you should definitely do not miss out, because the one single tool, we have the so many crazy AI models available. We don't have to pay them individually. We have the AI image generation available with the different models available. We can use its Chrome extension for the emails, for the docs, for the writings, for the generating all stuff. And we can also just create the LinkedIn or the Twitter carousels or the post. Soon we have also the available option for the video. So what else you can expect any other platform? So comparing with the Merlin, I have found out the Merlin, although a little bit more advanced, have the good database, but I found the features that is the offering in the Nily.ai with the user interface so much easy to use. It is really good. And right now Merlin.ai is not even available on the lifetime deal, but here you can get the access of the lifetime plan starting from the just $59. So if I want to check it out the deal, the link will be going in the description. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button, and if you want to stay tuned to these kind of the AI tools or the SaaS platform, just subscribe this channel to stay updated. Bye bye, take care, and I will see you on the next one.